Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syukur Ibnu Mubin. I am student from Muhammadiyah Tangerang University. Here I will explain about a vector. One, definition of vector. Vector is direction line segment that has a specific magnitude, value, and direction. Geometrically, a vector can be described as a direction line segment with the length of the line segment starting the magnitude of the vector and the direction of the line segment starting the direction of the vector. To write vector: 1. Write in lowercase or in bold type. 2. Write in lowercase with a sign the arrow above it is. Write grammatically. Direction of the arrow determines the direction of the vector, and the length of arrow determines the size of the arrow tail is called the starting point of a vector, point A, and the end of the arrow is called the point vector, point B. And 2. Vectors are divided into several types. Position vector. The position vector is the position of point particle with respect to a reference point contained. For example, the position of the starting point star at the center of the coordinate 0, 0, while the end point is a point x and y. Base. A vector a base. Vector is a vector whose length is one unit and its direction is in the same direction as the coordinate axis. The base vector has units that are perpendicular to each other. Unit vector a unit vector whose length is 1 unit. And 3. Vector operation. Vector addition. The two vectors a and b can be added giving the sum to be a plus b. This requires joining them head to tail. We can translate the vector b till its tail meets the head of a. The line segment that is direction from the tail of vector a to the head of vector b is the vector a plus b. Characteristic of vector net addition. Commutative allow. The order of addition does not matter. A plus b equal b plus a. Associative law. The sum of the vector has nothing to do with which pair of the vector are added to beginning. A plus b plus c equal a plus b plus c. Vector subtraction. Average vector negative a with opposite of a but point in the opposite direction. First, we find the reverse addition, such as if we want to find vector b minus a, then b minus a equal b plus negative a. Scalar multiplication. Algebraically, multiplying a scalar by a vector means multiplying all elements in the vector by a scalar. Multiplication of a vector by scalar quantity is called scaling. In this type of multiplication, only the magnitude of the vector is changed, not the direction. And for problem and solution, we have a question. This is known the vector a equal 2 minus 3 and b negative 4 and 5. Determine the result of the following vector operation. A 1 a plus b, 2 a minus b, 3 2 a plus 3b. The answer is number 1. A plus B equal to negative 3 plus negative 4 and 5 equal 2 plus negative 4 equal negative 2. Negative 3 plus 5 equal 2. And number 2, A minus B equal to negative 3 minus negative 4 and 5 equal 2 minus negative 4 equal 6. Negative 3 minus 5 is negative 8. And number 3, 2A plus 3B equal 2 times 2 negative 3 plus 3 times negative 4 and 5 equal 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 plus 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. 3 times 5 is 15 equal 4 plus negative 12 is negative 8. Negative 6 plus 15 is 9. Thanks for watching.